Okay, after great success for the last project, putting the heat sunk bridge rectifier, 50 amp bridge rectifier on this electric lawnmower, I've decided that I'm going to try to put this Hobbs meter, hour counter, on the mower. Really for no purpose other than I want to, and to keep track of how many hours are on the mower. I've only used about 3 times, so it has probably about 3 hours on it so far. So I'll wire this up and try to find a good way to mount it, and then I'll be able to figure out how many hours are on this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna let the camera run. I'll speed it up if it gets boring, but let's see if I can figure this out. Shouldn't be too hard. I think this is going to be a pretty quick little project. I still have to cut a hole in the cover, so that will be probably the hardest part actually. Okay, hopefully that zoomed in far enough to be able to see it. I have these little connectors here, and it turns out they fit just perfectly in the contact, just like that. Now this is just for the hour meter, so there's almost zero current going through. We just need the alternating current. They're not going to be insulated as well as I would like. I might use some electrical tape to insulate these a little bit better, but this is kind of proof of concept right now. So there's those 2 wires, and then we'll hook it up to the hour meter and see if it works. This is probably going to be one of the harder parts, trying to figure out exactly where to put the hour meter. It's going to go in somewhere in this area right here. So right now I'm just measuring it to get an idea for how big it's going to be. So there's one measurement, and then we'll get that direction as well. Let me get a scribe. Okay, I did this mostly off camera because it's kind of fiddly, trying to get this thing lined up and sized up in the middle, but now I've got my approximate area, and I just need to kind of cut it out, which is probably easier said than done, but we'll see if I can get this without cutting myself. Didn't cut myself. Well, I think I have the perfect tool for the job. One of these shaker bone saw things. It's a little bit too big along that dimension, but I think I can at least get that one kind of chewed out of there. Maybe. There, that's a lot better. I can live with that probably. Okay, let's see if we can finish this up. Okay, well, I got this put in here, so I'll just push the wires in. Press fit it. Just like that. Make sure the wires, yep, they're not interfering with anything. I'll just do a test real quick and see if it runs. tell for sure if it's running or not. Okay, I had the wiring wrong. I put the prongs on the correct terminals now, and we'll see if we can see any movement here. Well, it looks like it works. It's not the prettiest. There's a little bit of scratching I did on there, but whatever. It's a mower. Not too bad. That's it.